Let's start with the ones that make cooking smoother and quicker. Keep your cutting board from slipping by placing a damp kitchen towel underneath. It grips instantly, so you can chop safely without chasing your board across the counter. For garlic, forget the gimmicks. Place the clove under the flat side of a chef's knife, press firmly, and the skin pops right off. When boiling eggs, a splash of vinegar in the water helps the shells peel off like magic. And if you've got fresh ginger, peel it with the edge of a spoon. You'll keep more of the flesh and lose less to the bin. Pancake batter can be messy, so pour it from a measuring cup with a spout for neat, round shapes every time. No rolling pin. Don't worry. A clean wine bottle wrapped in food-grade plastic wrap, cling film, works perfectly. The plastic creates a smooth, non-stick surface, so your dough doesn't cling to the bottle. If the dough is extra sticky, you can even lightly dust the plastic wrap with flour. It's a simple trick that smooths dough just as well as a regular rolling pin, and it's safe and easy to use. When cooking pasta, rest a wooden spoon across the pot to stop it boiling over, and when you need more juice from lemons or limes, give them a quick 10 to 15 seconds in the microwave before squeezing. Chopping onions without tears. Use a very sharp knife and cut near an open window or vent. Need buttermilk for pancakes or biscuits? Mix 1 tablespoon of vinegar or lemon juice into a cup of milk. Wait 5 minutes and you're ready. Scrub potatoes before storing, so they're ready to cook at a moment's notice. And for ice cream, let it sit for just 5 minutes on the counter, then scoop with a spoon dipped in hot water. It glides right through. Shredding chicken is easy too. While it's still warm, pull it apart with 2 forks in seconds. Now, let's talk about keeping ingredients fresh longer. Store herbs like parsley or cilantro in a glass with an inch of water, loosely cover with a plastic bag and refrigerate. They'll last for up to 2 weeks. Ripen avocados faster by placing them in a paper bag with a banana, or slow them down by refrigerating once they're ripe. Keep brown sugar soft by tucking in a slice of bread or using a terracotta sugar saver. For greens, store them completely dry with a paper towel in the container to absorb moisture. And when you only use part of a can of tomato paste, freeze the rest in tablespoon portions for easy use later. Finally, the hacks that make serving and leftovers shine. To get lemon juice without seeds, cut the lemon lengthwise. The seeds stay trapped. Bring stale bread back to life by sprinkling it with water, wrapping in foil, and warming in the oven. Chill drinks without watering them down by freezing cubes of the same drink, like lemonade or coffee. For clean cake slices, wipe your knife with a warm, damp cloth between each cut. Reheat pizza in a skillet to crisp the bottom, then cover for a minute so the cheese melts perfectly. Keep knives sharp by washing by hand, drying immediately, and storing them in a block or on a magnetic strip. Never loosen a drawer. And the easiest clean as you go tip. Keep a small bowl for scraps right on the counter so you're not running back and forth to the trash can. And there you have it. 25 kitchen hacks that actually work, making your cooking faster, your food fresher, and your kitchen cleaner. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment telling me which hack you'll be trying first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.